All right. Let's actually kill these both. Can we deploy to a real testnet? Let's give it a go. Make deploy args equal dash network Sepolia. Fingers are so crossed. Okay, we got a whole bunch of stuff getting printed out here. All right, so here are all the logs for this. And now the other thing that's cool is since we're using the make file and it has this dash include.env, we don't even need to run source.env. So we got a whole bunch of stuff printed out here. It looks like scripts ran successfully. We can see some logs up here from us running everything. We can see these transactions are on chain. We can see on chain execute completed successful. We're starting some verification. Let me even grab this. And at the time of filming, Foundry has a bit of a bug where it actually also deploys libraries that you deploy on chain. So that's what it's doing right now. It's verifying that library. Well, let's go to this second contract address on Sepolia. Paste this in here. Go over to contract. Looks like it's already verified for us. Ooh. Fantastic. Very nice. Very nice. It's already verified for us. And then if we go over to vrf.chain.link Sepolia 1893, we already have a subscription. It's already funded because I did this before. If you didn't have a subscription, you would create one and add link. Remember, this will only work though if you do have link in the wallet that you're deploying. And if we scroll down though, our newest consumer has already been added here. It's our raffle contract that we just launched, which is fantastic. So when it looks like it's already good, everything passed, that means everything's going to be in this broadcast folder now. Fantastic. All right, cool. So now if we wanted to, we could write more interactions as well. Enter lottery, wait for winner, etc. But let's go ahead. Let's just play with this lottery from Etherscan right here. Let's go to write contract, connect to Web3. We can actually connect and interact with contracts directly on Etherscan and other front ends. Or if we wanted to, remember like badass, we could do the cast command, but we're going to practice doing some Etherscan stuff here. So we have our enter raffle command, right? If we read the contract right now, let's connect to Web3. From MetaMask, we can see the entrance fee. There are no players yet. Raffle state is open. There's no recent winner. There's no players right now. Let's go ahead to write contract. Let's enter this. So I'm going to pass in 0.01 Ether. I'm going to hit write. I'm going to verify that it is indeed 0.01 Ether. It looks like it is. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. Now I can view my transaction and I'm actually entering my own raffle, entering our lottery. And then we'll have to wait a little bit, wait for this to go through. It looks like it has. And now we can go back. We can go to read contract, do a little refresh, connect again. Yep. Go to get length of players. And now we indeed have a player in here. So now if we come back to our Chainlink VRF subscription, we'll see we have a consumer added. The next thing we're also going to have to do is go to automation.chain.link. And we do have to register a new upkeep. Now we didn't do this programmatically because we can launch and perform upkeep everything ourselves, but let's go ahead and register a new upkeep now. I'm going to connect my wallet. Yep. Connect here. Yep. This is going to be custom logic. We could do time-based. Let's just do custom logic, enter our contract address. I believe that's this one. Yep, that sure is. Paste it in here. We'll hit next. Upkeep name is start draw. Gas limit, sure. Starting balance. Let's just do 2 link. No check data. Looks good. No, I don't want to put any of that. All right, let's register here. All right. And the reason we have to register again is because our raffle has this check upkeep and perform upkeep. Right now, anybody can call perform upkeep so long as the conditions are met, right? But we want a Chainlink network to automatically be calling this without us ever having to interact with it, right? And to do this, we just need to create a subscription with the Chainlink network to do this. We do this on chain. We now have an active drawing. We added some link to it, and it looks like it already ran. If we scroll down to the bottom, we just funded it, and perform upkeep already ran. And since perform upkeep ran, this means the Chainlink VRF probably kicked off as well. If we flip over to that, we'll do a little refresh on our subscription ID. We'll scroll down. We have one kicking off. That's very exciting. So now if I scroll back over to here, I'll hit refresh, connect to Web3. Yep. Get length of players is still 1 because we're still waiting for the Chainlink VRF response to come back. And we can kind of literally watch it on the vrf.chain.link page. And it might take a few minutes for this to actually go through. Now we'll do a little refresh here and we'll see it was indeed successful. So if we go back to this and we type and we do a little refresh on our Etherscan, we connect to Web3 again, scroll down, and we indeed see there was a recent winner. And now we did all this through the Etherscan UI, but we could have 100% done it through here. So if we do cast --help, right? We could have sent all these transactions with cast and we could have added these into our make file. We could do cast call, right? Which would perform a call on the account without publishing a transaction. We could do cast call. If we do cast call -help, we can see all the different parameters that go in here. The main ones are to, sig, and args. So if we just wanted to see the get recent winner, we could do cast call, grab the lottery address, paste it in here. The contract, the function signature is going to be just get recent winner, like this, no args. Oh, sorry, I need to also add the --rpc URL, which is going to be our Sepolia RPC URL. Oops, I need to run source.env. Let's do this again. And boom, we have a contract address. And if we copy this, paste it in here, it's what's called zero padded. That's why you see all these extra zeros. But if I just go to the first zero, lop that off like this, we can see this is indeed our contract address, which makes sense because we were the only ones to enter the lottery. So we won. Woo! We won our own lottery.